Hey guys! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to build a website with ChatGPT. So let's get into it. First of all, go to pixabay.com and search for emoji. Add all images into a folder with the name static. Next step, go to ChatGPT site and type write code for Python Flask server. Now ChatGPT is generating code for us. Let's copy this Python code and paste it inside the app.py file. Then copy our HTML code and paste it into index.html file. Let's run our code with the command python app.py. Let's open our website in the browser. This is how it looks. Let's add some CSS. Go to ChatGPT and type style CSS code. Background color equals black and can make the image responsive. Now ChatGPT is modifying our HTML code. Let's copy this HTML code and paste it inside index.html. Save the file. Restock the server. Now check our site. And it's working. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.